That's one way to transport wood, a bit of timber. One way to transport wood.
How are you? Do you want to come for a ride with me, camera? Charlie boy?
Taking it for a ride with you?
Or do you want to go for do you want to drive up?
No, it's all right.
Madman.
Enjoy every moment of what you've got. Because we're not here very long.
That's still the timber. A bits left, I think. Yeah. Where did we get this lot from?
We got this from
Oh,
Totnes
Totnes.
Road.
Yeah, so this came out of an old farm building.
I wish I'd got more now.
Yeah, came out of an old farm building, this one.
Never look a gift horse in the mouth, but this cost me a fortune. £6 a length.
Yeah.
Half hitch. And a locking half hitch. See how basic that is?
As easy as that.
As easy as that. And when it falls off, you think, I wish I'd tied it up better. Oh, apple around there.
And here he goes again.
They're struggling, isn't it?
What?
fingers, love. Ready? Good. Brilliant. Easy peasy, isn't it?
Just like that.
When you've got a lawnmower, carrying them down is a struggle.
Always doing that. This is where this timber's going. Oh, get through. So it's going to be the floor. So we've bought the Jiffy joist hangers. I managed to order them online because I couldn't find them anywhere. And then the hangers will go on the bits of beams that are already up. And then those planks of wood is just getting down now will make the floor trusses. For £6 a piece, it's not bad, is it? I'm just trying to calculate how much it's cost us for this little bit of an extension, but it's hardly anything. So that roofing sheet was free. The timbers that you can see, the upright timbers, the really dark wood ones, they were £1 a piece. No idea, can't remember what we paid for the other timbers along there, not a lot. The door was £10 off Facebook Marketplace. Blocks, sand, cement, screws, fixings, concrete floor down the bottom there. That's probably been the biggest expense. Bit of damp proof course. But yeah, I'll have to calculate it. But I'm sure it's not cost a lot. Here he comes again.
Nice timber, isn't it, love?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. We used to be lumberjacks. One more. One more.
One more. One more. And this door, oh, its pallets just dropped on it. I need to put it there on purpose. Don't know. So it's got that door's going to go there. So it's white and then brown. So the brown will be on the outside, and white will be on the inside. That'd be good. And then that's going to be a storeroom and a toilet and with a wash hand basin. And I'll get a little hot water unit as well, so we can have a bit of hot water in there. Just one's off the wall. And at the back there where the beam is, it'll be a bit of a storage at the back. That's the idea. God knows how it's going to turn out, but I'm sure it's all in his head, as always. Load of sand. Yeah, sand. Next load of blocks. We do have a few blocks there, but they're all propping up those tiles, so there's no way we're moving those just to get rid of, find those few blocks. Right. Some really good tiles here. I'll put those up for sale at some point, unless I don't use them. Here it comes again.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Lovely, jubbly. Put the lawnmower away, have a cup of tea and get on with it then. Use the floor today, fit the toilet later.
Yeah. Right. Cup of tea, and I'm going to go clean out our car. See you in a bit.